21-member Minzy reacts on Dara and SB19 video together, plus K-pop girl group EXIN danced to Gento. The OG girls Sandara Park of 21 did a collab TikTok video with P-pop king SB19 after their concert together with Acer. Talaga namang kinilig ang mga Blackjacks at 18 dito, pero mas dumagdag pa nang mag-comment ang isa pang 21 member na si Minzy. And here's more. A K-pop girl group EXIN danced to SB19's Gento.
But can you dance it with your members?
Sure!
We did the challenge.
We did the challenge with Inabi.
Gento! 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 Dito basta basta bingo!
Gento pa din talaga sa 2024.